Hi guys, the area we have shown is a clubhouse, and now we are going to explain about combined footing reinforcement as per the drawing. Meet, he is a Shiva Shankar, senior site engineer of this area. Now he will talk about the drawing. The drawing which we are seeing in a video is called as a pump room. In this part is a collection sum, and now we are doing the reinforcement of the collection sum. Now we are going to open the reinforcement details and the section. See here,
section 1.
In this details, it is a section 1. So now we are opening the section 1 of this drawing, another drawing. Here it is a section 1-1. In the section 1-1, we are getting a RCC RCC wall and collection sum. Then raft. The raft thickness is 700, and the reinforcement details. Now we are getting the details of reinforcement details. Here the bottom top is 16 mm dia, and the bottom also 16 mm dia with 125 center to center. Now we will see in the side whether they make it as per the drawing or not. See, this is a combined footing of a collection tank. Now we will get the details of the steel. Here we have placed the cover block of 50 mm. As per the drawing, bottom mat is 16 mm dia, and the main bar also, it is a main bar, and the distribution bar is also 16 mm dia. Then we have placed a chair. Here it is called a chair. Okay. Then top mat. This area is called as bottom mat. Shankar, bottom mat बता दो.
Bottom mat हमारा ये है.
हाँ.
This is my bottom mat.
Okay. And
this is
top mat. Top mat of the footing. That as per the drawing, the top mat we got 12 dia and 100 mm center to center.
Main bar and distribution.
Main bar and the distribution bar. Both the bars are 12 mm dia. This is a distribution bar, and it is a main bar. And in this we have get the column. Okay, in the column, in total we have got the 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, and here 4. Now we are going to come in this footing. This all it is a combined footing. In this footing we will get the column details as per the drawing. Just open the column details. Here we are seeing the column which is shown in the drawing as C7A, and the grid is CH, E and CH7. So we are going to get the details in another drawing, in column details. Yeah, this is about the C7A, and the main bar is, there are 28 numbers of 20 mm dia bars. See here, as per the drawing, there are 20 numbers of 20 mm dia bars, vertical bars. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 into 2 sides means there are 26, and in center 1. Here 1 and here 1. So there are total number of 28 verticals. And coming towards the stirrup details, as per the drawing, number 1 outer stirrup is 10 mm. See, this is a outer stirrup. Okay, and it is a 10 mm dia. and come towards the inner stirrups, which is in rectangular in shape. Number 2. This is in rectangular in shape, and it is number 2, which is connected to the two bars, 2 or 3 bars.
3 bars.
See, 1, 2, and 3. Each stirrup is connected to the 3 bars as per the drawing. And second one and third one is a square type of stirrup which is connected to the 4 bars. Total means 2 bars. This is a rectangular shape of the stirrup which is connected to the 2 bars. And the fourth one is a hook. Here hook is missing. We have noticed one thing. Here one hook is missing. No, they did. But this direction should be an opposite side. Okay. And the fifth one is a hook. Sixth one is a rectangular stirrup which is connected to the 2 bars. And seventh one is a triangular stirrup which is connected to the 3 bars. This is a triangular stirrup and which is connected to 3 bars. Here the same details in this footing. There are 16 mm dia of bottom mat and top mat is about 12 mm dia. Both the main and distribution bars of bottom mat is 16 mm dia and the top mat is about 12 mm dia. No, the reinforcement work is in progress. After that we will do the shuttering and then we will pour M30 grade of the concrete. Hi, I am Sheikh Rainuddin.
This is Sheikh Uddin, client site engineer. Senior site engineer.
This is our first video. We will update the work and we will give the details as per the progress. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share with your civil friends.
Yeah.
Bye.